Hi friends, welcome to the exploration where we explore space in the most fun way possible. Today we're going to learn some super cool space words. These words will help you talk like a real space explorer. Ready, buckle up, because we're going on a journey through the universe. Astronaut, a person who goes to space. They wear special suits and float in zero gravity. Rocket, a big machine that blasts off from Earth to send astronauts or satellites into space. Satellite, a robot that goes around a planet or moon. It takes pictures, sends signals, and helps us understand space. Spacecraft, a general word for any vehicle used to travel in space like a rocket or a space shuttle. Spacesuit, a special suit astronauts wear to stay alive in space. It gives them air and protection. Space shuttle, a spacecraft that can go to space and come back like a plane. NASA used them for many years. Booster rocket, the part of a rocket that helps push it up through the sky and into space. Spacewalk, when an astronaut goes outside the spacecraft into space. They're tied to the ship so they don't float away. Launch pad, the platform where rockets stand before they launch into space. It's like a rocket's starting line. Sun, the big star in the center of our solar system. It gives us heat and light. Earth, that's our home planet. It has air, water, and life. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. It's super hot during the day and freezing at night. Venus, a very cloudy, very hot planet, sometimes called Earth's twin because they're similar in size. Mars, the red planet. Scientists think people might live there one day. Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. It's made of gas and has a big red storm. Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings. It's also made of gas. Uranus, a cold planet that spins on its side. Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun. It's windy and blue. Pluto, a dwarf planet, smaller than the others but still super cool. Moon, Earth's only natural satellite. It shines at night and has craters. Star, a giant ball of hot gas that shines. Our sun is a star too. Constellation, a group of stars that form a picture in the sky like Orion or the Big Dipper. Galaxy, a big collection of stars, dust, and gas. We live in the Milky Way galaxy. Solar system, the sun, planets, moons, and everything that orbits the sun. Universe, everything. All the stars, galaxies, space and time put together. Exoplanet, a planet that orbits a star outside our solar system. Milky Way, our galaxy. It's huge and shaped like a spiral. Comet, a space rock made of ice and dust. It has a bright tail when it gets near the sun. Meteorite, a rock from space that lands on Earth. Asteroid, a rocky object that orbits the sun. Most are between Mars and Jupiter. Nebula, a cloud of gas and dust in space where stars are born. It looks colorful in pictures. Supernova, a giant explosion that happens when a big star dies. Black hole, a place in space with gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. Space station, a home in space where astronauts live and do science experiments. The most famous is the International Space Station. Orbit, the path one object takes as it goes around another, like how the Earth orbits the sun. Telescope, a tool that helps us see faraway things in space. Hubble telescope, a special telescope floating in space. It takes beautiful pictures of distant stars and galaxies. Satellite dish, a dish-shaped tool that catches signals from satellites. Radio telescope, a huge dish that listens to space sounds from far away. Gamma rays, invisible rays that come from very energetic things in space like supernovas and black holes. Planetarium, a cool place where you can watch stars on a big dome screen. It feels like you're flying through space. Martian, a fun word for a creature from Mars. We haven't found any real ones yet. Aurora, pretty lights in the sky near the North or South Pole caused by the sun's energy. Lunar rover, a car astronauts drove on the moon. Mars rover, a robot car that explores Mars, takes pictures, and does science. Astronomy, the science of studying stars, planets, and space. Cosmology, the study of the entire universe, how it began and how it works. SpaceX, a company that builds rockets and sends astronauts to space. Astrology, the belief that stars and planets affect our personality and future. It's different from astronomy. Sky, the space above Earth where we see the sun, moon, and stars. Clouds, fluffy shapes in the sky made of water. Sometimes they block our view of space. Rainbow, a colorful arc in the sky caused by sunlight and raindrops. Lunar eclipse, when Earth's shadow blocks the moon's light. Solar eclipse, when the moon blocks the sun for a short time. It gets dark during the day. Space debris, leftover parts from satellites and rockets floating in space. You just learned over 60 awesome space words. Now you can talk about stars, planets, rockets, and galaxies like a real explorer. Which space word was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And remember, the more you learn, the farther your mind can go. Like, share, and subscribe to Infozillion for more fun facts about space science and the universe. See you in the next video.